From your network dashboard page, navigate to Endpoints. Under the Manage Endpoints tab, click on the plus sign at the upper right to add an endpoint. Give your endpoint a name. Give your endpoint an attribute. Hit Create. You will be presented the Your Endpoint has been created screen. For our lab setup, we will be using Windows Desktop Edge. Go ahead and download the registration key. This is a .jwt JSON Web Token file. Then click on the Select an Installer to be directed to the Endpoints Downloads page. Choose Windows ZDE Desktop Edge and click Download. This brings the user to the NetFoundry ZDE GitHub repository. There are the list of releases and select the top release and the .exe package from the list of files. Typical Windows user will now have two files in the Downloads folder, the .jwt file and the desktop edge.exe. Right-click on the ZDE Desktop Edge Client installer file and select Run as Administrator. This will launch the installation on the user Windows machine. Click Next. Keep the default file location, select Next. Click Install to execute the installation of the Windows Desktop Edge. Click Run ZDE Desktop Edge when the installation completes. The ZDE Windows Desktop Edge is now installed. The user will need to click Add Identity. You will be brought to your file manager and should navigate to the directory where you have saved .jwt file. This file was downloaded in the previous steps. Click Open. The identity has been enrolled and registered.